Hi, and welcome to this problem solving session. Today we're going to be looking at question 4 from 2021 Senior Maths Olympiad first round. We're told to find the value of x plus y, given that x and y are real numbers, and it satisfies the equation x squared plus y squared equals 8x plus 2y minus 17. We'll go ahead and write down the equation that we're given. We have x squared plus y squared equals 8x plus 2y minus 17. And we're going to move all the terms that have x and y to the left hand side, and that will give us x squared minus 8x plus y squared minus 2y equals minus 17. So we'll just write down the terms in x and y separately in different brackets, and we'll have x squared minus 8x in one bracket and y squared minus 2y in the other one. And we have this is equal to minus 17. Our approach at this point is going to be to factorize the terms in x and to factorize the terms in y. And since x and y are both quadratic, we'll do that by completing the square. And to complete the square, all we have to do is to add the square of half of the coefficient of x and the square of half of the coefficient of y. So we'll go ahead and do just that. Have x squared minus 8x. And then the coefficient of x is minus 8. So we'll halve that and square it. And also, we'll have y squared minus 2y. And the coefficient of y is minus 2. So we'll have that also and square it. And since we added something to the left hand side, we're going to add the same to the right hand side. So we'll add minus 8 over 2 squared and minus 2 over 2 squared to the right hand side. We'll go ahead and simplify what we have. This gives us x squared minus 8x. Minus 8 over 2 is minus 4, and when you square that you have plus 16. So this gives us x squared minus 8x plus 16 plus y squared minus 2y. Minus 2 over 2 is 1, and when you square it you still have 1. So it gets to be like this. And then on the other side we have minus 17 plus, and we got minus 8 over 2 squared to be 16. So we'll add 16 here and the other one to be 1. And then we have x squared minus 8x plus 16 plus y squared minus 2y plus 1 to be equal to 0. We can factorize x squared minus 8x plus 16 to give us x minus 4 squared. That's easy to see why. And we can factorize the other term too to be x minus 1 squared. And we have this to be equal to 0. I think I made a mistake here. I'll just fix that up. That should be y minus 1. Good. At this point, you will notice that we have two squares that sum up to 0. And since you know that squares are non-negative, it means that both terms have to be 0. And in general, if you have some squares, say a1 squared plus a2 squared up to an squared, that sum up to 0, it means that all the terms are 0, which means that a1 equals a2 equals a3 to be 0. So this means that x minus 4 has to be 0 and y minus 1 also has to be 0, which means that x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1. And this means that the value of x plus y is going to be 4 plus 1, which is 5. And so option D is going to be the correct answer here.